Hello, welcome back to my channel, Unbox with me. I found some stuff from Amazon that I can use to meal prep. So I have a glass bottle here and I have juice in there. I have this silicone storage container for soups, for rice that I can store in the freezer. And then I have these ice cubes, silicone containers that I can use for smoothies. On the go, so that way I don't have to keep making smoothies every single morning. I can just make it, freeze it, and then pop it in a glass cup or a mason jar, shake it up, and I can drink it as a smoothie on the go for myself. And then I have this glass container for meals that I can prep and cook and put in the refrigerator for easy access for myself, for my family. It's a very nice container. Instead of using plastic, I can use it to store anything I want in the fridge. I can also store it in the freezer. And this is what it looks like. So I made a batch beans and corn meal, and this is going to store up in the fridge. So if you want something like this for yourself, I'll put the link in the description below from Amazon so that way you can get it and then use it for meal prepping for your family. It's very easy, soft to use. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.